Hey yo, what's up, guys? Good morning,
Halo,
everyone.
good morning,
Good
bro.
morning.
Morning.
Halo, Sis
Good
Meta. Good
morning.
morning. Halo, Sis Punky, Sis Nani, Sis Sarah, and all of you guys here. Welcome back to our class again. Okay, well, Sis Meta, what's up, Sis Meta?
Hi, bro. I'm fine, bro.
You're
I just,
fine?
yeah, I just go to the doctor because my kids are
Mhm.
sick.
So sorry to hear that. So I hope you're sick. Your kids, yeah? Your kids.
Yes,
You'll get
yes,
better
I.
soon. Smita. Okay,
I mean, thank
that's
you,
great.
bro.
Most welcome. Okay, so what about others here? Sis Nani. Hello, Sis Nani.
Yes, I am.
Okay, so how's life today, Sis Nani?
Uh, Today is not
Today?
well.
Is that well? What's going on with you?
Uh, I get a sakit
What?
perut apa sih?
Stomachache.
Stomachache.
Yeah. Oh, you got a stomach ache? Oh my
Yes.
God. So God Wilson, you need to take a medicine, I think, Sis Danny. That's
Okay,
great.
thank you, bro.
All right. So I hope everyone here is in good, yeah? So just keep your healthy, everyone. So that's it. Okay, guys, everyone. So let's start the class while waiting others friend. So good morning and welcome back to our class again, everyone, with speaking partner.
We are the
We
best
are
Oh,
the
the
best
best
partner.
partner. Okay, what's password?
Smile.
Smile.
Thank you so much, everyone. Great job. All right, guys, today is our 13th meetings, and we are going to continue learning new topic for today. Last time, yesterday, what did we talk about? Did you still remember, guys? Kemarin kita belajar apa, guys? Last
faster.
time. Yeah,
Past
a
tense.
past tense. You're right. It was a past tense, and we discussed about school. Yeah,
Yes.
that was about school. And today will be the new one, guys. We're going to discuss and talk about traveling. Jalan-jalan. Is it traveling? That's our topic for this time. And we need to discuss about this topic like uh tourism places that you want to visit, the city, the region, even the country that you have ever been to, or you want to visit that country someday. Okay, so we need to discuss a lot about this. Okay, and anyway, guys, everyone, okay, hold on. Tadi, I saw you in a group, ada beberapa teman-teman yang list nih, ingin lanjut lagi sama Bro Vicky. Wow, I glad to hear that, everyone. It's really nice. We have a lot of friends. 30 people wants to continue to the next level. Really cool. And that's good, everyone. Karena teman-teman, it depends on you. Teman-teman itu pengen lanjut di kelas webinar atau kelas reguler gitu ya. Kalau kelas webinar with the same price, jadi harganya juga sama kayak teman-teman dulu daftar di basic 1 ya. Oke, pesertanya banyak. Tapi ada minimalnya guys ya. Minimal untuk bisa lanjut itu kayak mungkin 35 lah guys. 35 semuanya lanjut itu bisa request tutor teman-teman. Bisa ketemu Bro Vicky lagi nanti. Oke, untuk kelas webinar ya teman-teman. So, come on everyone. Boleh nih teman-teman lanjut dan kita ketemu lagi di Basic 2. Kelasnya webinar kayak gini ya guys ya. Oke, beda lagi kalau kelas reguler. Kelas reguler itu kan lebih intens, lebih sedikit orangnya, maksimal 20 orang ya. Jadi untuk bisa request tutor, siapapun tutor kalian yang mau request gitu guys ya, itu minimal cuma 10 orang kalau kelas reguler. Kalau kelas webinar itu ya 3 sebenarnya 50 orang guys. Tapi 35 itu sudah diusahakan gitu guys. So let's see that. Oke. Okay? Teman-teman sudah mulai bisa bertanya-tanya ke customer service kita. Oke ya. Regular berapa kak? Oh, it's gonna be different Widya. Regular sounds like 100, 200 I think, 200-an ya teman-teman. Kalau kelas regular, karena di situ kan lebih intens teman-teman. Kan cuma 20 orang maksimal member atau pesertanya. So, it's gonna be different. Kalau kelas webinar sama ya, kayak teman-teman mendaftar dulu waktu pertama kali ikut di basic 1. So, everything depends on you guys ya. Kalau teman-teman nyaman nih kelas webinar kayak gini, come on, you can just go on. Okay, that's good. Oh iya guys, kalau teman-teman bisa kok dapat diskon-diskon itu ketika ikut TikTok, live TikTok atau di Instagram itu bisa dapat diskon teman-teman. Boleh ya ikut-ikut seperti itu. Itu untuk kelas-kelas yang baru-baru guys. Kalau kelas-kelas yang lanjutan itu ya harus ngikutin sesuai customer service kita. Teman-teman tanya-tanya dulu aja ya. So ke customer service, who knows ada diskon seperti itu. It's good guys to get it right. Oke, tanya aja teman-teman ke customer service kita tentang kelas, harga, dan bagaimana. Boleh, bebas. Tanya-tanya dulu aja guys. Okay, that's it everyone. Okay, guys, I think that's gonna be enough for the information. I hope we can meet again to the next level and improve our English level again. And the other friend will say like, Rofik, saya ini jarang masuk kelas. Jadi kalau lanjut tuh kayaknya masih malu-malu gitu. Terus bolehkah saya mau repeat atau ulang lagi di basic 1? Boleh banget. It's no problem if you want it. Ya guys ya. But I suggest you, come on. Just join to the next level in basic 2 at least. Karena basic 1, basic 2 itu ya goalnya hampir mirip ya. Build your confidence, build your brave, and enjoy speaking in English. Ya guys ya. Gak apa-apa grammarnya salah, gak apa-apa konversasinya salah. Yang penting nyaman dulu teman-teman ngomong bahasa Inggris. Sambil belajar cara yang tepat, merangkai kata, kosakata, dan sebagainya. Bedanya di basic 2 nanti lebih banyak topik-topiknya. Conversation itu lebih banyak guys. Okay. Okay. And that's about the class, everyone. Come on, just join to the next level, everyone. Yeah. So we can have another time for that. Okay, guys, I think that's gonna be enough for that, and go on to the other part. Today is our 13 meetings, and we are going to continue learning. The topic is about traveling. Guys, anyone doesn't like traveling? Doesn't like? Anyone?
Yes.
Sis Nani, you don't like
Yes.
traveling?
Yes, I am. Yes, I
Oh.
does. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Okay, you don't like traveling. Gak suka jalan-jalan, Sis Nani?
Oh, suka maksudnya suka.
Okay, I suppose that
Sorry.
you don't like traveling. So
I
most of
like.
people likes traveling. Travel is my hobby. Wow, my trip, my adventure, gitu guys. Okay, really good one. Yeah, that's really cool, guys, to go traveling. Okay, to really stress, ya guys. Yeah. Okay, and the next part is this our goal. Let's talk about our trips, perjalanan kita, and learn about vocabulary in traveling. I have a lot of vocabulary about traveling, guys, and we need to talk a lot about this. Before we jump to our main topic, I have small topic, a chit chat topic in the beginning for just warming up. Come on, guys, everyone, here we go. Hold on. So start from here guys, look at this everyone. Yang pertama teman-teman kalau pertanyaannya ada do, itu pasti apakah. Apakah kamu suka jalan-jalan, liburan, traveling? Jawabannya yes I do, no I don't. Gitu guys ya, it depends on you. Yes I do, I like traveling. Gitu guys. And boleh teman-teman kasih alasannya kenapa suka? Ya. Yes I do. I love atau I like traveling. It's because traveling makes me fun and can release my stress. Makes me happy maybe. Boleh. Give the simple reason. Oke, lanjut nih. What cities have you visited in Indonesia? Ini konteksnya present perfect ya. Kita akan belajar minggu depan guys. Oke. Kota-kota mana yang teman-teman sudah pernah kunjungi? Ini kota di Indonesia nih, teman-teman. So, you can say that one. I have visited, guys. Saya sudah mengunjungi. I have visited. I have visited. Kota mana nih, guys? I have visited Yogyakarta, Jakarta, or the other city in Indonesia. In Indonesia. This one. I have visited, disebutin aja teman-teman, kalau lebih dari satu juga boleh. Okay. So, I have visited Jakarta City, Indonesia. Up to you. Serah teman-teman ya. And then, what are special places in that city? Apa sih guys tempat spesial di kota itu? For example, you have visited Yogyakarta City in Indonesia. A special place in that city is apa nih guys? Tempat spesial di Yogyakarta itu apa? Okay, so you can say the special, sebut satu aja gak apa-apa teman-teman. The special place, ya, place in yes,
Yogyakarta.
ya, in that city, in Yogyakarta juga boleh. That city is apa nih guys teman-teman?
Malioboro.
Kraton.
Malioboro, Kraton. Yeah, it's up to you. You can just say that. Tergantung kota yang kalian kunjungi tadi ya guys ya. Lanjut guys. Are there any memorable moments there? Apakah ada nih guys momen-momen yang berkesan, yang terkenang di sana? Oke. Kalau ada, yes there are. Berarti banyak ya. Yes there are. Kalau satu aja ya, yes there is. There is any memorable moments there. It is like apa nih guys? The food, mungkin makanannya atau kenangan apalah yang teman-teman masih ingat di sana. Memorable moments, momen yang berkesan. What do you recommend about cities or places? Teman-teman, kota atau tempat apa yang kalian rekomendasikan nih? So, you can say, I recommend you. Yes. I recommend you to visit. Saya menyarankan atau merekomendasikan kamu untuk mengunjungi apa nih guys? Okay, maybe Jakarta City, or maybe like Prambanan Temple, Borobudur Temple, the other city, the places itu teman-teman. Okay guys, so let's practice everyone. Anybody wants to practice this time? Siapa yang mau practice nih? Don't be shy. Jangan malu guys, just be brave. Okay. So, ini guys ada sis. Oh, maybe I want to go with sis Lilik this time. Sis Lilik, hello.
Hello, good
Morning.
morning.
Okay. Sis Lilik, I have a question for you. Okay. This time about traveling. Do you
Yeah.
like traveling, sis Lilik?
I love traveling.
You love traveling?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Well, what cities have you visited in Indonesia?
Lombok Island. I ever live over there. Stay over there.
Oh,
2 years.
2 years in Lombok Island?
Yes, because I work.
You
because
work over
I
there?
I work over there. Yes.
Oh, really great. Nice.
And
Okay.
and went to Jogja.
Jogja.
Yeah, Jogja in Borobudur Temple.
Borobudur Temple is not Jogja, just really.
Magelang.
Okay, yes, nearby Jogja is Magelang. That's a good. Wow, that's just really wow, it's really good. Yeah. So it means you have visited Lombok City.
Yeah.
It's a great one. Anyways, Sis Lilik or Jogja. Anyways, Sis Lilik, what are special places in that city, in Lombok or maybe in Jogja?
Oh, the nice place in Lombok is Senggigi Beach. Beautiful beach, with a white sand. Pasir putih, bener kan?
That's
Yeah,
right, white sand.
Yeah, and a beautiful view.
Oh, that must be really drastic and lovely. Oh, great job, Sis Lilik. Nice
Yeah.
one.
And
Okay.
a food
What?
from there, a food in Lombok, in
Mhm.
Lombok. Kangkung, pelecing kangkung.
Pelecing kangkung.
Delicious, yes, delicious food.
It's delicious food. It must be
Yeah,
really delicious. Pelecing kangkung. Okay.
yeah.
Oh, great, Sis Lilik. Sis Lilik, are there any memorable moments there in Lombok, maybe?
Yes, of course. I I ever went with my family, which do we never do before,
Mhm.
and that's very memorable, good memorable,
Mm.
nice memorable for
That's
me.
memorable for you. Oh,
Yeah.
it's visiting with your family, though. This is
Yeah.
Lilik, the last question. What do you recommend about cities or places?
Yes, I recommended the Senggigi Beach
Senggigi
in
Beach.
Senggigi Beach, the place in West Lombok. West
Oh, West
Lombok,
Lombok.
yeah. And I recommended in pantai apa ya?
What's the name?
Sebentar. Tanjung Bero. Tanjung
Tanjung
Bero.
Biro
This,
Beach.
this
Is it a
Tanjung
beach?
Bero Beach, yes. Uh,
Oh,
this is not in East Lombok, not in Lombok, but in after Lombok. Apa ya?
after
Pulau apa
Lombok?
ya? After Lombok. Hmm, ada yang tahu nggak ya? Pulau apa ya namanya?
We did that. Is this
Ya,
nearby Lombok
lain pulau,
Island?
ya, lain pulau. Ya, timurnya
Oh,
lagi.
I know that. Wow, great one, Sis Lilik. So
Ya,
I suppose that you have a great time when you lived a state in Lombok at the time for 2 years.
iya.
Oh, great,
Thank
Cecilia.
you.
Thank you so much. Amazing.
Iya.
Anyway, guys, I want to highlight here. Guys, by the way, if you want to say the name of the food, kayak tadi, plecik kangkung. Tadi apa, Cecilia?
Plecing.
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 Iya, plecing kangkung. Itu teman-teman nggak perlu ya dikasih ke bahasa Indonesia gitu, bahasa Inggris gitu, nggak perlu. Namanya memang plecik kangkung is plecik kangkung. Oke,
Iya.
it's alright. Teman-teman nggak perlu kok. Jadi kalau nama makanan memang asalnya itu namanya memang itu, teman-teman nggak perlu ditranslate di bahasa Inggris. Oke, got it? So for example, like you wanna say plecing kangkung.
Kangkung.
Yeah,
Iya.
just say the name. It's okay, it's no problem. Maybe nanti native itu bakal tanya, apa itu plecing kangkung? Baru dijelasin. Oh, kangkung itu gini, 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 dan sebagainya gitu. It's the same like you wanna say ayam geprek gitu, teman-teman. Just say, I wanna eat ayam geprek. This is ayam geprek. Kita nggak perlu ditranslate chicken bomb, chicken smackdown, dan sebagainya gitu ya. You don't need to say that, everyone. Okay? So just say the name. It's enough, guys. Okay, great job. Okay, sama juga pokoknya nama asal ya, guys. Nama asli, memang sesuatu yang nama asli, itu teman-teman sebenarnya nggak perlu ditranslate, guys, di bahasa Inggris, teman-teman. Oke, nama orang juga, kalau nama institusi, itu boleh teman-teman kalau konteksnya formal institution gitu ya, sekolahan negeri apa, kayak itu boleh ditranslate. Tapi kalau konteksnya nama sebuah makanan, nama sebuah orang, itu juga nggak perlu diartikan di bahasa Indo-Inggris, teman-teman. Just say that name. Bapak Slamet. Berarti gimana, guys? Mister? Mister Slamet. We cannot say Mr. Congratulation. What's that? Bapak Slamet, Mr. Congratulation. Mentang-mentang congratulation itu selamat juga. No, guys. Okay. So just say that name, everyone. Okay, Bapak Kamis, Mr. Thursday. Oh no, just say the name. You got it? Itulah teman-teman tentang nama. Itulah nama sebuah makanan yang asalnya dari itu, juga nama manusia. Don't need to translate that. It's the name. Okay, the original name. Bahkan kota itu juga nama ya, guys ya. Nama sebuah tempat nggak perlu ditranslate juga, guys ya. Oke. Kota Malang. nanti sad city. Kota sedih Malang gitu guys. No, it's just Malang is Malang. Okay. Got it everyone ya. Okay, thank you so much, Sis Nilik. You're so amazing to practice that. Okay, and guys, go on to the all triplet. Langsung aja teman-teman ya. The second part, and we're going to half days. So we have several vocabularies that we are going to discuss about. Yang pertama ada yang namanya ini. Merencanakan perjalanan. Rencana itu kan plan ya. Berarti plan a trip. Plan a trip. Oke. Digabungin teman-teman. Planner. Gitu ya.
Planet.
Plan a trip. Plan a trip. Merencanakan perjalanan. And then akomodasi. Ya, akomodasi itu kan tempat, sarana, dan sebagainya ya guys ya. So, akomodasi in English you can say accommodation. Accommodation bukan, tapi berpikir tulis di atasnya sini teman-teman. I will make it small biar pas nanti. Accommodation bahasanya gini. Oke, accommodation. Accommodation. Itu. Memesan tiket in English you can say book. Teman-teman boleh bilangnya book kayak buku. Karena book itu diartikan dua. Yang pertama kata benda yang artinya buku. Yang kedua verb kata kerja yang artinya memesan. Booking guys. Nah, so actually you can say book. Itu juga boleh. But you can say just book is enough. Book a ticket. Book a ticket. Itu guys ya. Book. Digabungin juga book a ticket. Gitu. Jalan-jalan di jalan-jalan ya sekitar daerah kita aja gitu ya teman-teman, is walk around. Walk gak boleh bilang walk, dibaca o nya guys. Walk around, sekeliling gitu guys ya. Around, walk around. Teman-teman digabungin boleh cara bahasanya walk around gitu. Liburan is vacation. Look at that. Vacation. And then wisata is tour. Tour itu wisata. Perjalanan trip. Tujuan destination is a destination. Is typo. Is gitu guys. Sorry guys, is typo gitu ya. Gitu. Destination ini adalah tujuan. Ya. Arah. You can say direction. Okay. Like direction. Gitu guys. Direction or direction is okay. Dibaca dibaca D juga boleh. Direction. Bandara, airport. Gak boleh bilang airport ya, air, udara gitu, air. Gitu. Jadi kayak gini. Airport itu udara. Pelabuhan, harbor. Not harbor ya, harbor. Pokoknya dibaca harbor gitu. Ini terminal guys. Bus station. We cannot say bus, but the bus. Bus station. Stasiun kereta, we can say train station. Okay. Penumpang in English is passenger, bukan passenger teman-teman. Passenger sounds like this. Passenger. Turis nih, okay? Tourist, just say tourist. Teman-teman nggak perlu bilang tourist, jadi o-nya kayak nggak dibaca gitu. Langsung u aja. Tourist. Kalau turis lokal kayak kita nih lagi kemana itu memang daerahnya memang kita dari Indonesia, local tourist. Okay? Local tourist. Just say tourist untuk orang luar. Pariwisata is tourism. Kalau turis itu orangnya, kalau pariwisata itu tourism. S-nya suaranya kayak Z gitu guys. So tourism. Ini tourism itu. Biro perjalanan travel agent. It's like agent. Travel agent. Teman-teman boleh digabungin bacanya travel agent. Digabungin boleh. Oke. Berjemur kayak berjemur di pantai gitu guys. Sun bathing. Sun matahari, bathing gitu guys ya. Sun ini bacanya sun bathing. Sunbathing gitu. Pergi melihat-lihat, ya kita pergi lihat-lihat pemandangan gitu ya. Go sightseeing. Sightseeing. Ini. Go sightseeing. Pergi berkemah, go camping. Camping berkemah. Tiba di, arrive at. Bacanya arrive. Ada at-nya guys. Digabungin. Tiba di itu bukan arrive in, tapi arrive at teman-teman. The common mistake is arrive in. Arrive at. Diikuti at by position kata depannya. Tiba di mana? I arrive at Yogyakarta. I arrive at bus station. For example gitu. Oke guys, so teman-teman semua ditirukan Bro Vicky ya. Tetap di mute atau dimatikan mikrofonnya and repeat after me loudly. Repeat after me. Plan a trip. Accommodation. Book a ticket. Walk around. Vacation. Tour. It's a trip. Destination. Direction. Airport. Harbor. Bus station. Train station. Passenger. Tourist. Tourism. Travel agent. Sunbathing. Go sightseeing. Go camping. Arrive at. Alright guys, so wow, let's practice to read the vocabularies for today. And I want to go with Bro Michael Gultom. Teman-teman yang lain
Alright
tetap
then.
latihan dibaca ya, teman-teman semua. Tapi yang
Right,
dibuka
where
Bro
do I start?
Michael. Come on, start from planet trip until harbor. Let's go, Bro Michael. Let's go.
Alright then.
Berapa?
Plan a trip.
Berapa?
Accommodation.
Okay.
Book a ticket.
Okay.
Walk around.
Good.
Vacation.
Mhm.
Tour.
Mhm.
Trip. Destination. Direction. Airport. Harbor.
Oh, great job. Thank you so much, Bro Michael. It's really nice to hear
Glad
that. Okay,
teach me.
so what about Sisudiati Hadiani? Sisudiati, hello.
Hello, bro.
Okay, Sisudiati, come on, that's your turn. Bus station until arrive at, okay?
Okay. Bus station, train station, Passenger.
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 Nah, good.
Tourist. Tourism. Travel agent.
Okay,
Sunbathing.
good.
Go sightseeing. Go camping. Arrive at.
Oh, great job, sis. You're so good. I love your pronunciation. Really nice. Okay, what about Bro Khoirot Dai? Bro Khoirot. Bro Khair. Hello.
Halo
Bro
bro.
Khair. Yeah, what about you? That should be planet
Okay.
trip until harbor. Okay? That's good,
Okay.
bro.
Planet trip. Accommodation.
Okay.
Book ticket.
Ticket.
Book ticket.
Good.
Walk around.
Mm-mm,
Vacation.
good.
Tour.
Yep.
Trip.
Mm-mm,
Destination.
good.
Direction. Airport. Harbor.
Oh, really good. Thank you so much, Bukhoyet. You are so
Thank you.
great. Okay, what about the order? This is Mauliana. Bus station until arrive at. Let's go. Turn on your microphone. Nah,
Okay,
okay.
thank you,
Go
bro.
ahead. Okay.
Bus station, train station, passenger, tourist, tourism, travel agent, sunbathing, sightseeing, go camping, arrive
Arrive at.
arrive at.
Good job. Arrive at.
Thank you,
Great job,
bro.
Miss Mariana. You are most welcome. Okay, guys, gonna be enough for that. Learning about the vocabulary for today. And guys, just remember that I will close it though. Look at this, everyone. Hey, guys. How do you say akomodasi in English, everyone? Apa nih?
Accommodation.
Accommodation. Merencanakan perjalanan. Apa tuh?
Planet
Planet.
Planet trip. Just planet
Planet
trip. Jalan-jalan.
Walk
Walk
around.
around.
Wow.
around.
Ya. Kalau liburan apa, guys?
Vacation.
Vacation. Oke, tujuan.
Destination.
Destination. Memesan tiket in English?
Book a ticket.
Tiket. Iya. Guys, arah. What is arah?
Direction.
Iya, direction. Okay, and if you want to say bandara,
Airport.
pelabuhan, harbor. Okay, great guys. Kalau perjalanan apa perjalanan? Trip. Good job, everyone. Guys, what about stasiun kereta?
Train station.
Stasiun kereta, train station. Kalau terminal bis?
Bus.
Station. Good job, guys. Okay. Guys, how do you say pariwisata?
Tourism.
Oke, kalau turisnya apa turisnya?
Tourist.
Iya. Biro perjalanan, guys.
Travel agent.
Penumpang.
Passenger.
Passenger. That's good. Guys, berjemur nih. Sunbathing. Iya, sunbathing. Pergi berkemah apa, guys?
Bisa lihat kelas, paham deh, masa
Good job.
ada nih yang sudah ada kelasnya.
Halo teman-teman. Teman-teman yang lagi rame, lagi ngobrol sama orang di rumah, di mute mikrofonnya, guys. Oke, biar gak terganggu teman-teman yang lain. Lagi, guys, kalau pergi berkemah apa tuh, guys?
Go camping.
Go camping. Iya, kalau tiba di.
Arrive at.
Arrive at.
Arrive
Arrive at.
Arrive
Great job, everyone. Okay, so those are the vocabulary today we talk about. Okay, so well, guys, hold on. Nih, guys, anyone has a question about this, guys, the vocabularies?
Sorry, bro, I have one question.
Sure, come on, bro.
Plan a trip. How about plan a trip? It's the same itinerary.
What, pardon me? It's the same with
It's the same with itinerary.
itinerary?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah, so actually you can use that, bro, Danny. A planet trip is like a casual one. Itinerary is
Oh,
formal actually. Udah terjadwal gitu, bro. Di kantor
Okay.
biasanya tuh. Okay,
Okay,
bro, Danny?
I
Got
got
it,
it.
yeah. That's good
Thank you, bro.
one. Okay, it's really nice. Okay, well, the other one. Guys, anyone wants to know?
Bro Fik,
Yeah, bro. Yes, Spunky.
tempat wisata?
Tempat wisata, you can say tourism places atau tourist attraction.
Oke,
Okay.
thank you.
Iya, tourist attraction gitu, guys. Itu
Tourist
tempat wisata.
attraction. Or
can say that one.
tourism place.
Tourism place juga boleh, iya.
Oke.
But the common one, tempat wisata itu it depends ya. Umumnya paling umum itu memang tourist attraction, teman-teman, untuk bilang tempat wisata. Oke? Got it ya?
Oke, thank you.
Hold on, Bu Fi tulis aja di sini nih. Bentar guys, Bu Fi besarin. So you can say tourist attraction, or sometimes they will say destination, travel destination, tempat tujuannya juga boleh. Kalau lebih umumnya just say tourist attraction, teman-teman. Sama ya, it's a typo. It's a tourist sama tourist attraction. Nih bedanya di sini nih. As a native, they will say that one. Ini adalah tempat wisata. Wisata. Tourist attraction, tempat wisata. Okay, so it's the common use for, you want to say tempat wisata in English gitu ya, guys ya. Oke, ya, Bu Lutfi, pemandu itu tour guide. Tour guide atau guider. Guide, kalau guide itu memandu. Kata kerjanya. Tour guide atau guider itu orang yang memandu. Kalau pekerjaan yang dilakuin sama tour guide atau guider itu guide. Memandu. Gitu ya. That's alright, Bu Lutfi. No problem. Okay, guys, that's gonna be enough for that, everyone. This is our topic we have learned so far. And the other part, we're going to practice on breakout room. So guys, just talk about this. Choose. Kita tidak memilih ya. Choose one country you want to visit the most. Pilih satu negara yang teman-teman itu ingin kunjungi, paling atau sangat ingin kalian kunjungi gitu guys ya. Apapun negaranya. Okay? So, gak boleh bilang negara Konoha ya guys ya. No, it's not a country, everyone. Itu negara Konoha. Okay. Well, guys, why do you want to visit that country? Kasih alasannya. Ditanya nih nanti. Why do you want to visit that country? Kenapa kamu ingin mengunjungi negara itu? Give the reason. What are unique things about that country? Teman-teman kan mau mengunjungi negara sana nih. Apa sih uniknya? Sesuatu yang unik dari negara itu tuh apa? Gitu guys ya. The food, makanannya. You can have culinary, kuliner nih. Or the culture, budaya, or anything. Teman-teman jelasin. What do you want to do there? What do you want to do there? Kalau teman-teman sudah sampai di sana nih, teman-teman mau ngapain? You want to take a picture? You want to do something? Yes, yeah. It's up to you, teman-teman. What do you want to do there? Ini tentang negara semua. Nah, after that, just talk about this, everyone. Selanjutnya lebih ke city or region. What city or region in Indonesia you have visited? Sebuah kota ya, kota apa atau daerah apa nih yang teman-teman pernah kunjungi di Indonesia, kota di Indonesia atau daerah di Indonesia? Nah, sebutnya, for example, Yogyakarta. What do you think about the culture of that place? Culture. culture, budaya artinya guys. Menurut teman-teman gimana nih budaya di sana? Gitu. What do you think about the food at that place? Kalau makanannya gimana di sana? Okay, please tell me more about special things of that place, which I may not do. Coba jelasin nih, mungkin special things atau sesuatu yang spesial nih guys ya di tempat itu yang mungkin kita nggak tahu gitu guys ya. So just try to mention that one. Jadi yang pertama teman-teman diskusi tentang negara yang kalian ingin kunjungi dan juga yang kedua city, kota atau daerah region yang teman-teman sudah pernah kunjungi di Indonesia. Itu ya guys ya. Okay, so you can just make it and have a conversation about this. Let's go everyone. How many people are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So, let's go everyone. Good luck and see you there. Yuk, semuanya masuk ke breakout room ya. So guys, welcome back to the main room. Thank you so much everyone for having such a great conversation. Talk about your traveling, the country that you want to visit most, and also you talk about the city or even the region that you have ever visited. Wow, that was really cool. The next, guys, I would like to ask one of you to have 1 minute challenge and explain about your conversation, your discussion on the breakout room before with your friends. I want to go with what about Sis Nova? Sis Nova, that's your turn. Okay. Well, are you ready, Sis Nova?
Oh, I forgot to turn off my camera.
Why? That's all right. Come on. Just explain it, your discussion with your friend on the breakout room. I suppose that you got a great conversation on the breakout room before, right? Ms. Nova, are you ready?
Oh, yeah, I'll
Okay.
try.
I give you time 1 minute, yeah?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Time is yours.
Yeah, we discuss in breakout room with Miss Sarah, Miss Umi, Mr. Lutfi, I'm not wrong, with about the place that we want to go. There is some people wants to go to Arab and Korea and then Japan.
Japan.
In
Oh,
Arab, usually we want to pray and traveling in Mecca and Madinah. And in Japan, we want to shopping and sightseeing and traveling too.
oh,
And also in Korea.
Korea. Yeah,
I think that's all. Thank you.
that's good. Well done. It's Korea. South Korea or North Korea, Ms. Nova?
I think South Korea.
South Korea. Okay, Korea Utara. Okay. Alright, mau salaman sama Kim Jong Un. Okay. Well, great. Thank you so much, Sis Nova. You are so good at telling your discussion about nice, Sis Nova. You're
Thank
killing it.
you.
Okay, guys, I want to highlight here. Teman-teman, Bro Vicky mau highlight nih the common mistake that we had when we practice on breakout room. Teman-teman, just be careful of it. Jadi, teman-teman, ada yang namanya for. Kalau to dulu nih, to infinitive itu harus diikuti verb one, teman-teman. Okay, I repeat again. That must be followed by verb one. Verb one, kalau for itu pakainya gerund atau verb ing setelahnya. So, teman-teman, saya ingin mengunjungi Jepang. I want to visit Japan. I want to visit. Kita nggak boleh bilang I want to visiting. Setelah itu harus verb one. Okay? I want to visit. I want to visit. We cannot say I want to visiting. Okay? Nah, beda lagi kalau teman-teman mau bilang gini, saya mengunjungi Jepang untuk jalan-jalan ya, untuk liburan. So, I visit, okay, Japan, okay guys ya, Japan for jalan-jalan tadi traveling. That's for example. Itu guys. Ini setelah for harus verb ing, gerund. Look at that everyone. Oke, beda kan teman-teman? To infinitive diikuti verb one. Kalau for is traveling. I want to visit. I visit Japan for traveling. Okay. I want to visit Japan for traveling juga boleh. Itu teman-temannya. Just be careful of it. Okay. That's it everyone. And that's the feedback for today. Intinya teman-teman, to itu to infinitive namanya itu harus diikuti verb one. Kalau for itu verb ing. Yang sering kita itu kebalik atau kadang-kadang kita ikutin verb ing semua terus gitu guys ya. Nope, it depends on the sentence itself. Okay, got it everyone? That's good everyone. This is okay guys. I think that's gonna be enough for today the feedback and that will great. And teman-teman, kalau mau bilang ini guys, once more, as remember that. Kayak teman-teman mau bilang how often do you go to mana guys ya? Seberapa sering? Nah, itu kan menanyakan keseringan, seberapa sering melakukan sesuatu, itu teman-teman. Kalau 1 kali, berarti gimana 1 kali, guys?
Once.
Once. Nih, guys, 1 kali. Iya. Kita nggak boleh bilang one time, guys. Oke, once. Oke, kalau 2 kali?
Twice.
Twice. 3 kali, teman-teman boleh pakai thrice atau 3 times juga boleh. Okay, so you can say that one. 3 kali teman-teman boleh banget bilang kayak thrice kayak gini pertama, guys ya. Oke, thrice, ya, thrice, oke, thrice gitu boleh, atau pakai 3 times juga boleh. It's okay. Nah kalau 4 ke atas guys itu teman-teman gini. 4 time tambah aja. 4 time yang penting times di belakang. 4 time, 7 time, 10 times, 100 times, 50 times gitu guys ya. 8 times gitu. Jadinya yang beda itu once, twice, thrice. Twice ini boleh dibaca 3 times juga boleh sebenarnya. Tapi kalau 4 ke atas, that should be that one. Oke? Okay? Got it everyone ya? This is untuk berapa kali melakukan sesuatu. Oke. Okay. Guys, I think that's gonna be enough for this time. Anyone has a question last time, guys? Ada pertanyaan nggak nih, guys, teman-teman?
Iya, Bro.
Ya,
Ya,
yes, Hayati.
kayak
Gimana nih?
semisalnya itu cuman di kota itu, Bro. Cuman singgah gitu tuh kayak seperti
Mampir.
transit ya. Iya, mampir, bener, mampir. Itu bilangnya gimana, Bro?
Kalau konteksnya kita tinggal itu kayak 2 hari, 1 hari gitu guys. Itu teman-teman boleh bilang stay. Ya, stay. Intinya stay itu tidak menetap ya guys ya. Tinggal tidak menetap. Tinggal tidak
Kalau
menetap.
Kalau menetap live ya, Bro.
Iya, live. Live. Oke. Ini live, ini baru menetap. Tinggalnya menetap.
Kalau sebentar transit.
Iya, kalau sebentar itu transit, guys. Oke. So I will translate this one boleh. Kalau itu beda teman-temannya. Oke. That's it everyone. Stay itu lebih ke ya.
Antara transit sama stay itu beda ya, Bro, berarti.
So actually kalau transit, hold on guys. Kalau teman-teman mau bilang transit itu ya lebih perpindahan gitu ya, Bro ya, Sis ya. Oke. Kayak ya transit melintas, transit ke sini berapa jam gitu. Sehari. Kalau stay itu benar-benar tinggal, teman-teman tinggal kayak lagi liburan nih, stay at the hotel gitu. Gitu. Oke, kalau live benar-benar tinggal selamanya di situ, menetap di situ. Itu lama jangkanya. Live. Kalau stay sebentar, sementara. Itu. Oke?
Okay, Bro. Thank you
That's
so
good.
much.
Okay, guys, most welcome. So it's gonna be enough for this time, everyone. Okay, bro, bahasa Inggrisnya berdoa dan beribadah apa semuanya pray. Ya, berdoa itu teman-teman boleh bilang pray. Pray, gitu sih Sarah. Oke. Ya, berdoa. Untuk beribadah, sorry guys, bentar. Beribadah teman-teman juga boleh, it's okay. It's like praying gitu. Lebih ke worship sebenarnya kalau beribadah itu. Jadinya pray itu teman-teman bilangnya berdoa. Kalau beribadah lebih ke worship. Jadi guys, one worship itu beribadah. Worship. Okay. So that's the specific one. So actually you can say pray, Solat juga guys, praying, pray. Okay, so you can say that one. Worship, beribadah, berdoa is pray, bahkan sholat pun juga pray. That could be that one.
Mengaji juga pray ya, bro.
Kalau mengaji depends. Mengaji itu lebih ke membaca kan teman-teman. Itu lebih recite. Recite guys, membaca. Bukan misalnya membaca Quran. Reciting Holy Quran. I recite to Holy Quran. Bukan read ya teman-teman untuk bilang membaca. Membaca ini konteksnya adalah membaca kitab-kitab yang disucikan gitu guys ya. Contohnya adalah contohnya adalah kitab Al-Quran gitu guys ya. Itu kan kita membaca Al-Quran nih, ngaji Al-Quran. Itu boleh recite gitu guys. It's not recite guys ya. Oke. Kita nggak boleh bilang read. Read kalau read itu lebih ke buku biasa. I read a book gitu. Kalau yang disucikan lebih baik itu pakainya recite, membaca. Reciting
Tapi
Holy Quran. Teman-teman, that would be better. Oke?
Waktu saya itu transit ke itu bro, ke kamus, itu read nih, membaca Al-Quran.
Iya, itu yang tepat itu pakainya recite ya Nur Hayati. Kalau translate Google Translate itu teman-teman memang ada yang miss di situ guys. Yang paling tepat konteksnya kalau membaca yang kitab yang disucikan itu pakainya recite daripada read. Oke teman-teman ya. Oke guys, that's gonna be enough for this one. That's the topic for today and this is our topic everyone. Kita ketemu besok ya. Teman-teman, besok kita bakal listening. Kalau teman-teman ingin ikut listening, jangan sampai telat masuk ya. Karena kita di awal listeningnya guys. We have listening guys. Ada 2 jenis listening ya. Mengisi mungkin kalimat yang bolong gitu guys ya. Mengisi kalimat lah. Dan juga multiple choice atau ABC. Okay, so don't miss the question mirror for the listening, everyone. Thank you for coming, everyone. Before we end, anyone wants to give the quote of the day? Kata-kata hari ini, guys.
Bro,
Ada
I
yang
want
mau
to
nih?
try, bro.
Oh, come on, bro. Come on, sis. Ask sis, siap ya? Halo, sis.
Oke. Halo,
Oke,
aku.
sis Eka, siap ya? 1, 2, 3, go. Kata-kata hari ini, sis Eka.
You don't have to be strong all the time, but you can always rise again whenever you choose to.
Wow, what's the meaning, sis Eka?
Kamu nggak harus kuat setiap saat, tapi kamu selalu bisa bangkit kapanpun kamu mau.
Wow, I love it. Thank you so much. That's a great.
Thank you, Sis
so
Eka.
much,
Thank you,
Sis
Sis
Eka.
Eka.
Great job. Guys, kita ketemu lagi besok ya. The last I say speaking partner.
We
We
are
are the
The
best.
best partner.
What's password, guys?
Bye.
Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow. Have a
Bye.
great
Thank
day.
you, bro.
Bye.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sis.